Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. Our topic is star topology. In previous class we see about mesh topology. So that the other one is star topology. We see what is star topology and what are the advantages and disadvantages of star topology. First of all, what is star topology? In star topology, each device each device in the network connected to a central device which is called hub. Unlike mesh topology, star topology does not allow direct communication between devices. A device must have to communicate through hub, central hub. This is the star topology. As we see in star topology, all the devices are connected to a central hub through a cable. This hub is the central one and all are connected to the center as we discussed. Here, the hub is also of two types, which is passive and active. Passive means not intelligent, such as broadcasting devices. At the same time, hub can be intelligent also, which is active hubs. These are two types of hubs. Active hubs have repeaters in them. Active hubs have repeaters in them. If we want to send a data between two devices, then each data then the data will be sent from the central hub only. If we want to communicate between these two devices, then the data will be sent from A to, let's suppose this is A and this is B, then A will be sent to data A sending data to B, then the data will be sent as A to central hub, A to central hub and central hub to B. This is the process of transferring data in star topology. Here all the devices are connected to central hub, which is the fast calculating, fast transferring data hub. Here we see what are the advantages and disadvantages also. First, here if n devices are connected to each other in star topology, then the number of cables required to connect them in n. As we discuss, if we have n devices, means if we have 4 devices, then we need 4 connections only to the central hub. It is easy to set up also. Then each device requires only one port only. Here one port, here one port, here one port, here one port. But central hub has number of ports. And some other example advantages are which is less expensive because of require less number of cables as compared to mesh topology. And easy default detection also, because if any one link is failed, then we can detect it easily and recorrect them. Next we see what are the disadvantages. Here if hub goes means central hub which is central hub, if hub goes down, then the total network will be gone. Here also say if the central hub on which the whole topology will release fails, whole system will crash down. If the central hub down, then all the communication in this network also not possible. Hub requires more resources and regular maintenance because it is the central system of star topology. Cost of installation is also high. Performance is based on single concentration is hub. Here hub performance is a major role in star topology. If hub works faster, then the data transmission also fast and the data will be transfer is also high. If hub is working slowly, then the total data transformation is also requires more time. This is the disadvantages of star topology. Next, we will see the bus topology on another lecture. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to Mana Lectures.